Okay, so today I'm doing a video, short video. I'll be doing a video how to fix this problem right over here. Let me get myself a little bit of light. Sorry for that, guys. I'm going to show how to fix this problem right over here for you to play Roblox, for you to play Apex Legends. So you have to quit the application, not quit it, but you have to go all the way to the settings. Then when you go to the settings, you want to go to networks. Then when you go to networks, what you want to do is go to set your internet, use Wi-Fi or LANs, depends on what you're using, and you want to go custom. You want to go click custom over here, okay? Once you do that, you want to go to your Wi-Fi. Your Wi-Fi zone right over here. I think people can hack you easily. I don't know. You want to go on manual. You want to go on search. Okay. You want to go on not. You want to go on automatic. That's the you want to do these numbers over here for the setup over here, and this is the only thing you need to do. Basically, you need to put these numbers and it will actually work. It worked for me. I don't know if it's gonna work for you guys. If it doesn't work, I'm really sorry. I don't have another way, but like that's really where I know. So you want to click that. You want to click that automatic. After you want to click use. No, you don't want to. You want to click unuse. My friend did it once, so I was just redoing it and then showing you how do you do it. And I guess I don't remember everything. And look at this, success. Successful. Everything is good. Well, once I get everything is good over here, yeah, I know my internet speed is not the fastest, but you know, gotta hold it strong. Now you want to go over here. Now you want to go in Apex. Click ready, and your boy is about to play some games. 1 second. We'll close the application first. Let's restart the app. You want to restart the application, I think. And respond. Yay! Everything that's around the H doesn't work. So you want to do that. Taking some time. And there we go. Now it does work. So, sorry for that brief moment. So I'm gonna let you guys be, and see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.